Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, my name is Sutri Riyanti from S3A class. In this opportunity, I will tell you about a tradition in Malaysia. Malaysia and Indonesia are part of Malay families, so the Eid tradition is almost the same. Since Malaysia is the majority of the population is Muslim, the Eid tradition is no less festive when compared to Indonesian Eid tradition. And here, I will tell you about 5 Eid tradition in Malaysia. Are you ready? Let's begin! Number 1 is clothes. On the first day of Eid, the people of Malaysia usually wear the traditional Malay dress for men and kebaya, or there is called baju kurung for the woman. In Indonesia, every year, Muslim fashion models always change, especially for women's clothing. It is very rare to find local people wearing the modern Muslim clothing, with the exception of foreign tourists that happen to be on holiday in Malaysia. So, look at the picture. This is the traditional Malaysian dress, and we can see it on the Upin Ipin animated film, and this clothing is usually worn by Kak Ros and Papa. Okay, number 2 is Eid music. For the Eid song, the average Malaysian people choose Evergreen music in the P.Ramlee era until the 80s. Yes, when we hear P.Ramlee, we will remember Upin Ipin again. And the most famous music is Song Saloma. Not a few artists try to make an Eid song. However, it only lasts for the first year. Like in Indonesia, every month of fasting and Eid, musicians usually create special songs for that moment. But still won't make an impression is old music like that. Number 3 is Back to Village. It seems that Back to Village is a tradition that is mandatory to be held by almost every family, even though there are many local people who were born and raised in the city and they have never experienced to live in a village. However, they still follow to Back to Village for a tradition of Eid. Number 4 is Duit Raya. If it's Eid in Malaysia, get ready to exchange small money. Every married person has an obligation to give Eid money for small children and those who are still studying or who are not working. And usually, the money will be packed in a special envelope, like apau, during the night of Eid. And this envelope will usually collected for free during the fasting months by companies, or for example from the bank where we save our money, or from supermarket, etc. It's not there. Malaysian little children have special habit. Every time of Eid, they easily gather organization consisting of small children their age, and their activity is hunt for Eid money. These little children will come to every house, even it is someone's house, and they are do not recognize. Their password when come to a house is Assalamualaikum, kami nak raya, or in English, Assalamualaikum, we want to beraya. And meaning, the host must immediately count the number of the children and immediately hand over the money to them. Okay, number 5 is open house. The open house is a kind of halal bihalal. The difference is that halal bihalal is more aimed at friendship and mutual apologies. The open house is also more about the meals provided by the invitees, and it can be said that open house is a Malaysian pop culture that also being adopted by Indonesian government and this time. The positive thing is that open house can strengthen friendship and more fun. But on the negative side, open house are no longer like halal bihalal that can be done at any time. Meanwhile, open house have to wait for appointment and time for show off, catering who is tastier, and clothes who are prettier, and jewelry who is more sparkling. Alright, so it is 5A tradition in Malaysia. I hope this information is useful for you. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum.